Glory be to our big brother Yahushua. What a real God. A real God who washes people away from their sins. And those who follow him never sin anymore. And that is how he is. Yahushua, may Yahushua bless all the children of God. And I greet all people from following from home, and those who follow the RTV, HFF, and all the children of God around the world. And I greet you also, Pastor. And glory be to our dad, YAHVAH. Glory be to Yahushua. Yeah, we got here again. Yes, of course, it's always about happiness, and it cut news. It cut news everywhere we go. And now we are celebrating and glorifying our God, the one who washes us away from our sins. Yeah, it's not those who wishes, but those who were chosen, and we are chosen. Yeah, so I am happy to greet all the children of God who got here in the headquarters, and those who are around the world, those who are following from radio and TV, you from France and China. I greet all the children of God. And yeah, I greet you followers of the RTV HFF, and also those who are following on the internet. May Yahushua bless you all. Yeah, I greet you also, LMZA. Yes, time has come now for us to glorify our beloved dad and our older brother Yahushua. Yes, LMZA Rodan is right by saying that it's not for those who wishes, but it's those who are chosen. Let's glorify our dad. Yes, that's how Yahushua is so wonderful. Our Yahushua is so wonderful. Let's glorify Yahushua loudly. So, what do you think, LMZA Rodan? Yes, that's right, Pastor. It's always about happiness. Devils take this happiness and they twisted it in something else, but here it's all about happiness, and it's a source of happiness. We never sin anymore, and we don't have any sin anymore, because Yahushua washes us away from our sins. Yeah, people cannot find that. It's Yahushua who washes people away from their sins. And if they're not praying to Yahushua, they are gonna be left in their sins always. But once you get here in Yahushua, once you receive Yahushua, once you love Yahushua, you never know how to sin. Just try it. Just come here and you will see. And you will see how good is that God. Yeah, the children of God are the witnesses that Yahushua is so wonderful. People who follow Yahushua never sin anymore. And that is exactly how he is. You never sin anymore. But it's the fake God who makes you sin. And devils already uses these words of God and they twist it. It's the devil who twists these words of God, but we cannot be twisted anymore because we are in Yahushua. Glory be to our dad, YAHVAH. Glory be to Yahushua. Yahushua is so wonderful because he cleaned us. And the real God, what does he do? He washes people away from their sins. That's why he came down here. He washes us away from our sins. You're not with the true God if you were still sinner. So now we are back to Daddy YAHVAH. We are back, right? Glorify Daddy YAHVAH. That's what makes Yahushua so good. Yeah, we're gonna make this world like we're gonna make them covet. It's Yahushua who was nailed on the cross, and he is the one who said, what did he say? Never sin anymore. And yeah, following Yahushua, we never sin anymore. Let's glorify Yahushua. Yes, that's right, Pastor. The children of God, it's only those who follow Yahushua among people around the world who never sin anymore. If people out there say that they never sin anymore, they are liars. They are liars because it's only us who never sin anymore, and there is no more sin in us because Yahushua has cleaned us. He has washed us away from our sins, and now we are happy. We are really happy here. And now let's begin the dance, glorifying Yahushua. Yeah, we are dancing because we never sin anymore. Our life is all about glorifying our God. Okay, let's go.